Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use rainbow fabric markers. I'm using these markers today on sari, a t-shirt and a pillow cover. We can use these markers on any type of fabric, preferably a light colored fabric, and these are permanent markers and easy to use. So let's get started. To do this project, we need the marker, design printed on a white sheet of paper, stencils if you have any, some pins, sellotape, and a cardboard. First, I'm going to be showing you how to do this kalamkari design on the sari. And I've chosen a sari which is a cotton silk, and the material is not too thick. So I'm going to be inserting the cardboard and the design on the position that I wanted the design to come, and I'll be drawing over it with a marker. Once you have decided on what colors to use, you pin the drawing to the sari so that it doesn't move, and once you have finished it, you can color them, and these colors dry so fast that you don't have to worry about taking out the design once it's done. Just give maybe 5 minutes for it to dry, and you are good to go with the next design for the sari. The second material that I'm using is on a t-shirt, and here I'm using a stencil. You just place the stencil wherever you want the design, position it properly, and then use sellotape to secure it and start coloring them. Once it's done, you can just get it removed. Remember to keep the cardboard underneath the material so that it doesn't. The third material I'm using is a pillow cover, and I'm also using a stencil which has got the flower pattern. It's the same procedure. You place the cardboard inside and the stencil on top, secure it and color them. If you have any doubt, I would suggest you can use it first on a rough surface on the material inside and see how it works, and then do the pattern.